In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your PayPal email. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. And once you're logged in, go to the gear button on top of your account. Click on it, and this will open up your settings page. Now, for you to delete an email from your PayPal account, you first need to add another email that will replace it. To add another email, just click on add and enter in your new email. Click on confirm this as primary and then confirm. So once you are done, now you'll realize you have two emails as you can see here. Identify the email that you want to delete. To delete it, click on the three dots and then delete. Confirm your deletion and that will be it. Now you'll remain with one email, which is the current or the new one that you have just changed to. And that new email will be used to receive and make payments. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.